Hey everybody, thanks for coming back to my channel. I've been a little bit out of commission, doing a lot of little projects and going crazy, but I got new things, a lot of new things coming up. And one of them is this beautiful device. This is the SP2SD from Kova. He sent me the new version, and the new version has a screen. And this is what he has. It's a very nice device, but it has a lot of potential. I know there's been several videos around regarding this device and how to put it together. It's a kit. It's very cheap. That's what I love. It comes from Japan, so it goes for around I think $30 or $40. I don't remember the shipping cost, but again, it's one of the cheapest emulators, floppy emulators for the Apple II. And I love it because of the size and because of the new screen. And what I want to show you is I'm starting to play with it a lot. And there's a lot of potential on doing cool things with this. One of them is to put it inside the Apple IIc, so it becomes kind of like an internal hard drive. So this is one of the things. You got your you go ahead, you turn it on, and you can select what kind of drive do you have. You have up to 4 drives, I think it is, and then you can select whatever you choose from there. Okay, right now I'm gonna just gonna put Total Replay, and that's the first one that is gonna boot up. What I do is on my Apple IIc ROM 4, I go to the selection and I go to 5, and it will go Total Replay. It will start up. So don't forget about the glitches. It's something weird with my cable over there, but it's okay. So one of the things that I want to show, it's the possibilities that this has, and one of them is the screen. So hold on a second and let me show you. This screen is the one that it comes with, but I already realized that there's several options, and you can put a bigger one just by replacing it. Take it out and put it in. And this one is the screen that comes with a floppy emu, actually. So it's a little bit bigger. And if we go, we already got a bigger screen, a lot more readable. So same things, you can do all these cool things, move things around, blah, blah, blah. But it gets better. So we can take this out, and we can actually, just gotta be very careful. It has 2 rows. The row, and I'm gonna try to, I gotta take it out so you can see what I'm talking about. If you go closer, there's 2 rows of pins over here. When you put it together, he just put the first one because that's the one that it's normally that you use with it. But there's one in the back that you can use if you want to put a bigger screen like this. And this is the 2.4-inch screen that I use on my floppy emulator. It's huge and it's nice. For old eyes like me, it's very easy to read. Now, if you don't have that connector in the back, you just gotta put like a little cable. I just put together this extension cable and put it the other way. So, and the trick is that you cannot put this screen like this directly. So I use the cable just to flip, because the ground, it's actually here in this pin, and the ground in this pin is on that side. So you gotta flip it, or you gotta connect it upside down. So I'm just gonna put it like this so I can show you how it looks with this big screen. Let's connect it and turn it on. And look at this. Now we're talking. Now we got a big screen, and we can use it, of course, to select things. And yeah, I can read everything very well. Okay. So those are the things that I'm beginning to explore with this. Another thing that I like a lot is that the size of this, it's enough so we can put this on the back of the Apple IIc, and I'm exploring with it right now. I haven't I haven't finished working on it, but I want to put this as an internal solution, and then I put together a file, an STL file, so we can put actually the original screen that comes with it that I just lost. Here it is. And we can put this original screen inside this little device that I created, and then this will connect it. Let me take it out. We take this out. Now we can put it direct like this. We connect it, turn on the computer, and you will have this. Now this cable, we can just put it in here in the back, and I have holes for the three buttons that are in the card, so we will be able to click the buttons here directly, so you can manage the card directly, the SP2SD directly over here. So this is one of the things that I'm experimenting with, and I'm gonna have it pretty soon, but I wanted to show you guys what I've been playing with. So it's very easy to just show what Kay has been doing, and again, other people already have showed the amazing things, capabilities of this device, but I wanted to give more ideas on what you can do. And this internal thing, I am very, very happy, and I'm very interested in putting an internal cheap solution for the Apple IIc, and I'm putting everything together, so it's also going to be reversible solution. So we're not gonna destroy anything. We're just gonna disconnect the internal floppy drive. So that's the only thing that will happen over here, disconnecting the internal floppy drive. But other than that, later we can just connect it again, and that's it. And we will have this on the inside of the computer, and it will have the cable just for the drive, and then outside, so you can see what is connected and what is working right now with the drive. So anyway, I wanted to show you this and do a quick video about it, because I've been bothering Kay about giving me this card, and when he did, then I had other things that I had to finish, and I couldn't do this video sooner. So now we got it. Expect this STL soon to be free for anybody, and maybe I'll even provide the device for people to just put it together by themselves. All right, so that's it. I just wanted to give the quick review, and thank you very much. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and see you next time.